Hey guys, welcome back. So it's Sunday evening, it's about 8 o'clock at night. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. We've had a heat wave over the last week, so I need to help this lawn out because I can't just throw the sprinkler on it anytime I want. So what I'm going to do, toss some of this down. Yes, that's Dawn dish detergent. So all I do, put it in a hose end sprayer like this, go over the lawn. Basically what it's going to do is that it's going to help loosen up the soil, so any rain or showers that we do get this coming week, which is what they're calling for, will actually, it'll help it penetrate the soil. It'll break up the soil a bit so it's not so dense. So that's what I'm going to do. Just a quick short video coming up, but I just wanted to show you guys this, what I'm doing. Now it's not just straight Dawn. There is like some other stuff in there. If you're curious about that, ask me about it in the comments. I'll let you know what I did. So like I was saying, this is just a quick coating. I've been doing this since spring, since I first started messing with the lawn. So it's been done before. This is just something that I know it needs with all this heat. I gotta get some water and moisture down to those roots. Let's do this. Okay, so that doesn't take long, maybe 10 minutes. But as you can see, it's raining out now, which is awesome. So I don't have to stay outside and water this in because of the bugs. They're pretty bad right now. But yeah, I mean, overall it's doing pretty good for the heat stress it's been under. And it's looking not too bad. The putting green reno looks like a mess right now. You just give it a month or two. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that little tip for when it's getting hot out. This won't work instantly, but if you stay consistent with it, I mean every 2 weeks or so, you will notice a difference. Look at that, getting watered in nicely. We need this so bad, but it is looking green. It's still holding up, but needed a little bit of help. So I had to come inside because it started raining out pretty good, which is awesome, and I don't have to water this in, which I do right after because there's no reason to let it sit. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this little tip on dish soap. If you did like it, leave a comment. If you're curious about what else I put into that tonic, subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video. We'll see you in the next one.